Hello friends and welcome to Loud Study. Today we will see what is integer. Actually an integer is a number which comprise of 0 as well as positive and negatives. Okay, so all natural numbers as well as their negatives and 0 is called integers. So here you have seen that all natural numbers are integers, their negatives are integers, and 0 is also a integer. Okay, now natural number are 1 2 3 up to infinity. Negatives of natural number, if we put minus in front of natural number, it will be the negatives of natural number. For 1 it will be -1, for 2 it will be -2, for 3 it will be -3, like that. And 0, these three comprise of integers. Okay, that means all natural numbers, negatives of all natural numbers, and 0 are called integers. Now integers are represented by z. So we can say that z is equal to -infinity, -2, 1, 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. So we can represent integer like this, that z is equal to -infinity up to infinity. Okay, now what is the smallest integer? So smallest integer is -infinity. And what is the largest integer? Largest integer is infinity. Now let's check your skill. Is 100 a integer? Yes, 100 is a integer. Is 0 a integer? Yes. Already I have told you that all natural numbers, they are negatives, and 0 is integer, so 0 is also a integer. Is -2.5 a integer? According to you, I don't know, but according to me it's not a integer, as -2.5 is not, 2.5 is not a natural number, and thus -2.5 is not a integer, because I already told you that negatives of all natural numbers are integers. Okay, now -1 is a integer? Yes, -1 is a integer. Is 1000 a integer? Yes, 1000 is also a integer. Now let's move to next slide. Is 1.5 a integer? No, 1.5 is not a integer, as 1.5 does not belong to natural series. And I am telling you that all natural numbers, they are negatives, and 0 is integer, not 1.5. Okay, so 1.5 is not an integer. 60, yes, 60 is a integer. -500, yes, -500 is also a integer. -10, yes, -10 is also integer, as 10 is a natural number and negative of natural number is a integer, so -10 is a integer. Is 1/2 integer? No, 1/2 is not a integer, as if I will divide 1/2, it will give 0.5, which is not a natural number, and thus 1/2 is also not a natural number, and thus 1/2 is not an integer. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon to get notification directly to your inbox. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Google+, Twitter and Dailymotion. Thank you.